Hey guys, tara drawing tayo. So ngayon, gumamit ako ng kanson, ayan. Ito yung gagamitin ko sa commission. So tara. Dito gumamit ako ng 2B para sa base tone.
Get up, nah I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder.
Kuha tayo ng tissue para i-smudge natin yung nilagay natin base tone.
Never gonna look back, cause damn I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes.
Dito gumamit ako ng small brush para sa maliliit na shadows.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
Ito naman yung ginagamit ko sa buhok. Bali, diamond charcoal na niliha. Mas maganda kasi ito, tapos mas mura. Makakatipid tayo.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restless.
Staedtler naman yung ginagamit ko para ma-preserve yung drawing.
And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.